Savor the Southwest. Now, forgive the handheld. I just wanted to do this real quick. I wanted to show you the jar of barrel cactus seeds. It's a quart jar, and I usually fill it up and go through it in about a year, and then it's time to harvest again. But I also had a jar up in the cupboard that looks remarkably like the barrel cactus seeds. I mean, if you look, this one's kind of shiny, and these aren't. Was it something different in the processing? I'll give you a hint. It also comes from a cactus. Okay, these over here are the saguaro seeds, and it's a bigger cactus and they're smaller seeds. They're tiny, and the barrel cactus seeds aren't as shiny and they're larger. And either one of these you can use just the way you would use poppy seeds in like a lemon cactus seed cake or something like that. There's many ways to use it, but I thought I'd do this just to show you that cactus seeds are indeed very delicious and nutritious and easy to save, and so many ways to use them. So thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest, and if you can, watch the one on how to process these barrel cactus fruits. We're going to have a whole series on it. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.